Hiya guys, today we'll be reviewing the tail tidy. It's from evo-tech Performance. I've paid about £112 for that. And yeah, let's check this out. Yeah, it's for my new bike, Honda. Packaging is very nice. So, they do give you a sticker, which is pointless. Oh, wait, hold on. They give you another sticker.
Oh no.
That's a lot of packaging. Yeah, they do care about their product. Let's get the box away. This is how it looks like in the packaging. And we do not have a lot of parts, so that should be... Oh, hold on, that's a rip. That's okay, that's pretty much solid. Let me just open that. Oh, I'll use scissors. Our tail tidy. I don't know what it's for. Fixings and extension cable, I guess. LED. It's not about quality. It's also E4, so it is legit. And that's obviously a sticker, I guess. Oh yeah, let's get it on. So first of all, we take the seat off. It's 2 Allen bolts in here. Yeah, next step. Next step is to take a picture of them, see where they go. Unplug them so you can take them off. And once you unplug them, you can start taking your till off. Take the number plate off. Take 2 bolts off. Take another 2 bolts off down there. And it should slide off, ideally. So guys, just a small update. We took it apart. We put the indicators in. We took the tail. Oh my god. So what we've done so far is that we took that off, put the cables through. In there's a hole for that. So we fit them through in there, took them out. Yeah, put this in inside here. That's the left one. Don't mix them up. Actually, you can't.
Yeah, where's that smaller one?
So one thing we just found out, that this is smaller than that, because it's only should be holding 1 cable inside, and this is holding 2 cables inside. So when you do your cable management, you should be aware, because we got stuck on that for like 2 minutes. That's how it looks like, and that's how it's wired. We took a picture of that before, so we made sure it goes like that. And there's a pin. Huh? There's a pin that shouldn't be there. Can't get in. Did you get in firmly?
It's just all a snug fit, mate. I'm gonna take these out now.
Doing that?
Yeah, fuck you, bitch. What size were they?
5.
Are they?
Yeah.
Where's my 5 now?
So that's how it looks like inside. It's a mess now. It's not pretty, but as long as it's pretty here, I don't care. So it's got a strong number plate light as well. Left one, right one. It's good. Yep. So just finishing it off, putting the seat back, and putting that seat back there.
Is that with your key, this one?
Oh, hold on, let's put the tools inside as well.
Oh, does it just go under there, does it?
Yeah.
tell you what, that is actually really nice without the massive thing on the back.
Without a number plate as well. Doesn't look yeah, that looks appealing. Look at that one now. Disgusting. Disgusting. I'll give you some feedback once I'll get into wet weather, how good it is on wet, because I don't think it's protecting you that much. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.